So hello all. So today we will see a problem related with the fluctuating load. So this type of problem is always asked in university exam as well as in GATE exam. So in that problem statement they have given a rotating bar made up of steel 45C8 having the ultimate tensile strength of 630 Newton per mm square, which is subjected to completely reverse bending stress. The corrected endurance limit of this bar is 315 Newton per mm square. So calculate the fatigue strength of bar for the life of 90,000 cycles. So they have asked to calculate the fatigue strength at 90,000 cycles. So due to that reason we need to calculate the fatigue limit at 90,000 cycles. So here we have to write the given data from that problem statement. So in that problem statement they have given ultimate tensile strength of 630 Newton per mm square, and which is subjected to completely reverse bending stress, and the corrected endurance limit of this bar is what? SE is equal to 315 Newton per mm square. Okay, so now we have to calculate the fatigue strength of bar. So what we have to calculate? SF value we have to calculate at 90,000. So here if we will see the SN curve, in that SN curve is stress versus the number of cycle. So here on x-axis there will be the number of cycle, on y-axis there will be the stress. So here the curve will be start from here. I will give naming to that curve. At this point there is the ultimate tensile strength, that is the A point. Next point, this point we have to calculate what? Fatigue limit or fatigue strength of that bar. This will be the C point. Next this will be the D, this will be E, and last point is F point. So here we will get the two triangles. Which two triangles? ACF. First triangle is triangle ACF, and second triangle is what? EDF. So second triangle is EDF. So larger triangle is ACF, smaller triangle is EDF, and these two triangles are proportionate to each other. Due to that reason this AC will be proportionate to ED, and that CF is the proportionate to that DF. So I will write the ratio. AC is proportionate to ED, and that CF is proportionate to that DF. Okay, so as for this problem I will write the all values for these points. So at A point there is the ultimate tensile strength of that steel material. So here I will calculate that log to the base 10 into 0.9 into ultimate tensile strength, that is the 630. so this value will be the, after calculation we will get the value 2.7536. okay, so next at this point we have to calculate the SF value. Okay, next that SF value we have to calculate at 90,000 cycle. So next I will take that C point. At C point, this point is what? Our endurance limit. So at that endurance limit, corrected endurance limit of bar is what? 315 Newton per mm square. So I will calculate that value also. Log to the base 10 315. So here we will get what? We will get the value of 2.4983. okay, next to that here we are getting at the C point on horizontal line there is the 3000 cycle, and at F point there is 6000 cycle. So log to the base 10 of 6000 and 3000, you will get that same value 6 and 3. So here now I will calculate the value at point D. At point D is the 90,000. So at 90,000, for that purpose I have to take log to the base 10 of 90,000. That value will be how much? 4.9542. So now I will put all value in that equation. Okay, so here at A point that value will be 2.7536 minus at C point that value is 2.4983 divided by ED. So that ED will be at E point, that value is how much? So that value we have to calculate log to the base 10 of SF minus at D point we are getting the value of 2.4983, that is equal to CF divided by DF. At CF the value of F will be the 6, value of C will be the 3 divided by DF. So at DF you will get what? 6 minus this value 4.9542. So after calculation you will get here 3 divided by 6 minus 4.9542. So this value will be, so this value is 1.0458. so this ratio will become 2.8686. okay, so calculation of this term will be, so after rearranging this equation, okay, after rearranging this equation we get one equation. So here after rearranging that equation we'll get the log to the base 10 SF is equal to 2.5872. so here the we'll get the fatigue limit value is SF is equal to anti-log of that total term. So here, so that fatigue limit value or fatigue strength value will be the 386.63 Newton per mm square. So this type of problem is always asked in university exam.